Hi kids, this is a book called Peeny Butter Fudge by Toni Morrison and Slade Morrison, a mom and a dad, son. And it says illustrated by Joe Cepeda. There's his name, Cepeda. And we're going to read the book now. This is the front cover, back cover, and the spine. That holds the whole book together. And here is the title page, and it tells us once again, just in case you were wondering what book we were reading, it's Peeny Butter Fudge. I don't like that light shining on there. There's the mom. There's some people in this car. Maybe the mom and her kids. Wonder where they're going. Let's see. Oh, where do you think they are? See this lady here with white hair, and the kids are saying, "Bye, Mom," and they all look pretty happy. Wonder where they are. There's a list of things to do. We have our list of things to do on the board, on the refrigerator, and what are they doing now? It says, "Snuggle, snuggle, time to rest. Nana joins us in her nest. Nap time is not so long when Nana sings a sleepy song." We sang a wake-up song today. There's the kids. What are they doing? I see somebody with a book. Let's see. I wonder what they're doing. It says, "Looky, looky, looky. We get a storybook. Fairies, dragons everywhere, creepy things under the stair, pots of gold, a laughing mouse, a peppermint chimney on a house."
What? I'm in the book? That's awesome.
There's Mysterious Dragon. "Hurry, hurry. Hop in the car. Let's go fast. Let's go far, all around, up and down. Nana takes us through the town." What are they in? What is that? And look, that doesn't look like a car. I wonder if they're having make-believe. Now it says, "Yummy, lummy, yummy, lummy. So much happy in the tummy." Look at all the things they're eating. What do you think you would like to eat? Look at what our Nana made us. Biscuits, ham, and lemonade us. Ooh, I think I want some of those biscuits. I love biscuits. It says, oops. "Oh my goodness, Nana's sick. Help find the doctor kit. She's got a fever. Her face is hot. Get some water, pour a lot. Band-aid for her toes, Band-aid for her nose. Doctor says you need a rest. Quiet while we check your chest. Be good, Nana. Take a vitamin pill. We'll make you well. You bet we will." Look at that. Is Nana really sick? What do you think they're doing here? That looks like a fun game. I think they're using their imagination. Here we go. Let's make the kitty cat. I've got one paw. I've got two. Here's his tails and whiskers too. Ah, how are they making their cat? How are they making kitty cats? I see three. 1, 2, 3 kitty cats. They're making you're right, a puzzle. Here's his tail and whiskers too. Here's his play toy, but it doesn't belong. The shape is right, but the color's wrong. Patience, patience, no need to haste. Every piece has its place. So when you're doing a puzzle, sometimes it's really hard. And you can't get upset. You just have to say, "I'm going to keep trying. Try again. Try again." Here we go. It says, "Peeny Butter Fudge, Peeny Butter Fudge. Mommy's coming any minute. Quick, quick, let's begin it." I wonder, what is Peeny Butter Fudge? Everybody's smiling, so guess it's good. Here we go. Let's see. Shh, don't tell, but I can't help it. This recipe's a family secret. Mix it, cook it, cool it, eat it. My mother taught me and I taught yours. Don't ever forget how it's done, for you will have to pass it on." So they're learning from Nana. And it looks like they have something chocolate. I wonder what that is in that bowl. Maybe sugar. And some spoons and peanut butter. And that looks like a bottle of vanilla. And the kids are helping. I wonder what it's going to look like when they're done. Oh my goodness. Look at the clock. Remember we talked about the clock? It looks like it's a time. Ticky-tock, ticky-tock. That's what the clock says. Can we beat that big old clock? Peanut butter, peanut butter. Nana is the best grandmother. Did you get to cook with your grandmother or your mommy? We're going to cook next week, remember? All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that kitchen. Look at mommy's stairs. Ah, what's the matter? Oh, no. Look at the cat. Cat's in the refrigerator. And what do you think that is? Big pile of something. Oh, mommy's smelling it, and she remembers. She remembers making peanut butter fudge, and that makes her looking not so angry now. Let's see if it makes her happy. Oh, kids look happy. It says, give me a kiss, give me a hug, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter fudge. Let's see if everybody's happy now, if mommy's happy. The end. I think the peanut butter fudge made mommy feel better. She said, that looks so good. Okay, it's all right. The kitchen's messed up. Maybe they all cleaned up the kitchen together because, look, it's not, well, it's still kind of messy. Maybe when the kids leave, Grandma will clean it up. And here is the recipe. Whoopsie. So if you want to make peanut butter fudge, you can take a picture of this. And we will make the peanut butter fudge on Wednesday. And I will send a picture to you. Okay. See you later. I'll see you tomorrow.